Okay, today is Christmas tree day, so we're headed to Papa John's tree farm, which we've never been to before. We used to buy them from this guy that did like a side of the road kind of thing, but he had great Christmas trees at like great prices. So it's going to be a new experience, but hopefully it'll be better than the one we went to last year. Thomas, is there anything you'd like to say to the people?
Taxation is left.
I concur. What are we doing when we meet a car on this road? I mean, I know both of these trucks are big enough to where nothing short of a semi can hurt them, but what do we do when we collision with the Civic? Just pick up the pieces and throw them in the woods?
Generally, if you meet a car, you move over. I don't know what they'll do, because I don't know if they're narrow enough to make another car fit around them.
I think they just have to like plow over a couple of trees to park on the side. Well, that sucks. We are currently trying to figure out when this place opens because it's not currently open.
It says on the sign open Thanksgiving until.
Yeah.
And then it's a choose and cut, but it says it's supposed to be open.
So I don't know what to do about that.
I have no more. I have more in my car.
The only person I know who likes peach tea enough to not carry one, not just one full, entire, huge 32-ounce Yeti cup full of it, but to have another bottle in her car.
I have another bottle of peach tea.
She has another bottle of peach tea. She just downed this entire Yeti of it, but now she says she has more. So what's the game plan? Do we have one, or?
There's some places like that.
Okay. Looks like we're headed to a different tree farm. I don't know where exactly. I didn't even catch the name of it because they just made the plans in the other vehicle.
Old time Christmas tree farm.
Okay, Thomas says it's Old Time Christmas Tree Farm, so guess we're headed there now. I'm guessing it's somewhere around this area. I mean, I know we're not going to drive like an hour and a half to get a Christmas tree.
13 minutes away.
13 minutes, sounds good. Okay, we're about to be at the next Christmas tree farm. Hopefully this one's not closed as well. It's like the day after Thanksgiving, so I don't know why the last one would be closed, because the sign literally says Thanksgiving till, I don't remember the date on it.
Until, it didn't say anything after that. It's just like Thanksgiving until like, like the 23rd or whatever.
Until the 23rd.
Yeah, so Thanksgiving until. I mean, there's always the slackers.
Or until the end of the year.
Why would you sell them past Christmas?
I don't know. People need money.
Yeah, but if nobody's buying, you aren't getting money.
They don't need those.
I don't know.
You cut it down, you can't just replant it in your yard for next year.
Look, you'll see in a minute.
Oh.
I want the teeny tiny.
Okay, we ended up coming to the same one from last year. Which I think we actually go to church with the guy that runs this one. Or part of his family does. Super nice guy, but Mama just didn't like that we had to cut our own tree and stuff. Even though at the other one we were just about to go to, we still had to cut our own tree.
I want that one. Look how bushy that tiny one is. I want that.
The little tiny one right there?
Yeah.
Aw. It's like the ugly duckling, it just hasn't grown into its looks yet.
Me.
Oh no. You want one for your room?
Yeah.
Your room isn't big enough for a Christmas
Yes,
tree.
it is. I want this one.
Mama, do you want to buy Madison a Christmas tree?
I don't think they're going to sell that.
If she wants a Christmas tree, I'll buy her a teeny tiny.
But they won't sell that. I tried to buy it last year.
Oh, that's the one. Mama, this looks like you if you was a Christmas tree.
I'm a poppy and I. So you can't get the little one. I'll watch you that.
Good job. Alright, you come on out now.
Okay.
Or you can go home with Ian.
You go home with me, you gotta put lights on the side boy and decorate it.
Think you can handle that?
No.
I need leftovers.
We got leftover dressing if that's incentive.
Leftover dressing? Yeah, I like dressing now. That's enough for me.
Okay, we finally got a Christmas tree. We ended up coming to the same place we came to last year, except it's a lot better this year because they already have one that they had handpicked up under their carport. So we got us a really nice tree. It's about 9 foot tall, which might scrape the ceiling in the house, but we might have to also just trim it down, just so we don't mess up our ceilings because it's a new house, newish. So we don't want to mess those ceilings up. You said it best. I think this is the most raggedy place I've ever been to. I've heard about this place where a guy I used to be friends with. But oh my gosh, look at the store first of all. Like, this store just looks like...
Comes your dad.
God, it looks like if Lady Gaga was a store. There's just so much going on, but no direction for any of it. And there's also these, the prehistoric pumps. Oh, I think these pumps are actually older than Nana. Oh, it is a rough place. The only redeeming thing about this place is this cat. This cat gives me hope. Just because it's a cat and I love cats. That's the only thing.
Ew, you're a cat person.
Ew, you're not a cat person.
I'm a dog person.
I don't label myself as any person. I like rabbits too. That doesn't mean
You
I'm a
just
rabbit
said you're a
person.
cat person, so you did labels
Yeah,
yourself.
I am a cat person, but I'm also a dog person. I'm
bisexual.
species fluid. I'm species fluid. Yeah, make it a word. Species fluid. Don't make me look like an idiot. I know I am, but let me have this, internet. 8 months deep, and she's still making Grinch references. This has been since August. Help.
I like the Grinch. I can relate to the Grinch because I have no heart.
Because you like onion? It wasn't that he didn't have a heart, it's that it grew 3 sizes. Jesus! You've never done a donut, have you?
This thing right here is not the best.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh my God! My cat! Oh! 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 Hold on, Madison! Oh God! You have fun?